What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing TINKATON from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Let's begin today's lesson along the bottom of our page with the bottom edge of the eye. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We'll draw a curve that goes up. And we'll bend that down on the outside. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to connect the ends with a half oval going up toward the top of the eye. Go up on the left. And bring that back down. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add a small highlight curve along the top of the eye. So start on the left, and it's down, and then up. Now on the outside of the highlight, we're going to draw an eyelash going out and up with a short line. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve for the mouth, going up and then down. Now I'm going to add two teeth on either side. Start with a straight line coming down toward the bottom of the teeth. Angles down and out. I'm just going to go up and out, back up toward the top of the mouth. Now I want to continue this curve going down towards the corners of the mouth. Let's go back over toward the left side, curve the mouth coming down in the middle, and bend it back up towards the right. Now add the edge of the tongue inside the mouth, going up and then back down. Now you want to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. Over on the left side, we curve the head going down underneath the mouth, round up the chin, and pull it back up on the right. Let's draw on the body. On the side, bend the body going out and then down towards the hips. And we'll connect the bottom with a curve. Going down the middle, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go over toward the left side, bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Going down and bend that up. Now I want to taper the leg so it gets narrower as it comes up towards the hips. Go up and then bend that in. Now about halfway down the side of the body on the right, bend the arm going out and then down towards the thumb. Curve this down and then bend the thumb coming back up. And we'll close off the top with a curve. We're going to add 3 fingers along the outside. Let's start from the outside of the thumb, and come down, round out the finger, and then pull that up and in. Now along the bottom, draw the second finger, going out and then up. And then on the third finger, go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Now on the left hip, we're going to draw a large circle for the base of the handle. Let's start on the inside, draw that circle going all the way around, down, and then back up. And then we'll angle the handle going in behind the head. Let's start on the top left side of that circle, angle this up and in behind the head. Let's add a trim on the bottom. Just want a curve going all the way around and then in behind the body. Now we'll wrap 3 fingers along the outside of the handle. Let's start from the bottom, going up and then down. Let's go up towards the top, draw the second finger with that same curve. And we'll do that one more time. Let's add that trim around the hair. Let's start on the left side, bend this up and in just above the eyes. Come down and in with a short angled line on top of the eyes. And we'll pull that up and in towards the center point. Now we're going to move up to the top and draw the outside of the hair. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. Bend the hair going all the way around towards the outside. And down. And then we'll just bend that in. Let's line up the top over on the right. Going all the way around. Come down the side. And then we'll bend that in. Now on the left side, we're going to step out. Curve this out. And we're going to bend that back in towards the side of the leg. And we'll do the same thing on the right. All the way around. Come in. And then up. Let's close off the center with a curve. And go back to the outside, step up and draw the same curve, going out and just pull that in. Now I'm going to trace the edge of the hair along the top. From that center point, we're going to step up and go down and out towards the left and right, and go up towards the top. Now on the left side, I'm just going to bend this out around the head and then down in behind the fingers. Let's go over towards the right side, bend this out, and then come down to right about there. Now I'm going to add 2 points going out towards the side. So we draw a straight line going up, and goes down, and up towards the side of the head. Now I want to do the same thing on the left side. So I'm going to line at the top, go all the way over, and goes down, add a point going up, and bring that back down in behind the fingers. Now you want to trace these points along the bottom. So we'll step down, just work our way in towards the hand. Let's go over towards the right side. Now we're going to go all the way up towards the top in the center, step up, start with a point, and add 2 curves along the side. Start with the left. We go up, just round this out, come down, and just bend that in. So go back to the center, go up towards the right, come around, and then in. Now we tuck the bottom in underneath. We step up, curve this up, come around, and then back in. Now I'm going to add that pattern along the top, starting from the inside on the left, angle this up and out, down and out, and go all the way back up towards the side. Let's line this up on the right. Let's draw the top of the hammer in an angle in behind the head. We start on the left side of our page, so we curve this across, go in behind the hair, continue that curve all the way back up towards the top. Let's round out the side, pull that up toward the top, and we'll close off the top with a curve, going all the way around and then back down. From the outside corners, we're going to step in, draw 2 angled lines, coming down in behind the head. Let's go to the top, go all the way down. Now I want to continue this line over on the right side to right about there, and we'll just round out the bottom. From this point, step back down, draw another angled line, and we'll close off the side. Now I'm going to go back and add some detail to the hammer. Starting from the top, it's going to follow this curve, all the way around till about halfway to right about there. Draw a straight angled line coming down. Now over on the left side, follow that same curve, and we're going to stop about halfway. On the top, draw a half circle, come all the way around and down. Now along the top of the hammer, we're going to add a wiggly line. Start from the top, I'm just going to wiggle this all the way around, just tracing the inside of the hammer. Now right in here, draw a straight line coming down. Now along the top, we're going to draw one more seam, coming down in behind the head. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's TINKATON from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.